Getting familiar with the whiteboard. Today, I'll show you how to use Nova's digital whiteboard and how easy it is to collaborate with other people online during a meeting or asynchronously. To work more efficiently with Nova whiteboards, we recommend using a computer. Working from a phone or iPad is not as easy. From inside the whiteboard, move around with the pan cursor option. You can use the hand, once selected, to navigate around the board. To adjust what you can see in the window, use the zoom function to move closer or further from the area you're interested in. Zooming in and out is easy, using either your trackpad on a laptop, a physical mouse, or the plus or minus buttons on your keyboard. Now that you're able to move around and zoom in and out, you'll need to learn how to select objects and move them. To be able to click on elements on the whiteboard, like a sticky note, you need to get out of the pan function and select the cursor. Use the escape key from your keyboard to quickly move from the cursor to the pan functionality. With the cursor, you can select objects in the board, change the color, or vote for a note. You can also add elements to the board by selecting them from the list on the left and dropping them onto the whiteboard. Selecting the Note/Task button allows you to click and drop either a task or sticky note to the board. Once dropped, you can add text, change the background color, or change its size. Selecting the Media button allows you to drop images, documents, or even videos to the board. The remaining buttons allow you to drop comments, templates, elements from the built-in library, and video call links onto the board. In the top right corner of the board, you'll see the Steps and Notes button. Clicking here opens the session steps that you're supposed to follow. Some session steps have dedicated areas on the board to fill out. Clicking on these steps will automatically bring you to these areas. Remember to mark your steps as complete once you're done and move to the next. Now it's time for you to try. Enjoy and thank you for choosing Nova.